How to fix PrizePicks withdrawal failed or not working. If you're facing this issue, then I'm going to show you guys how you can fix it. So the first thing that you want to do is make sure that you have a stable internet connection, because if you are not connected, then what happens is when you try to withdraw money, you won't be able to withdraw it to your account. The other thing that you have to make sure is that your account is verified, because if it is not, then you can have delays in the withdrawal, and you can, if there are any documentation that needs to be verified, you need to do that as well. So you can head over to your profile section for that. And once you get to your profile, you are going to have to head over to settings menu, and on your request withdrawal, you can just make sure that your account is verified. You could also submit a request from here. So once that is done, if that doesn't work, then sometimes it might be there is problem with the website or the app's cache. So you can go ahead and open it up, head over to storage, and then from here you can clear cache. Once you have done that, all you need to do is go to your web browser, and then here you're just going to have to search for PrizePicks support. So go ahead and search for PrizePicks support, and then you can contact their customer support. So these are the ways that you can fix if your withdrawal is failed or not working. I hope this was helpful to you guys. I'll see you on the next one.